Want bigger app icons on your iPhone in seconds? Some tricks even your friends don't know, and one will blow your mind. You won't believe this one trick for a single app. It's awesome, and I'll show you all the ways. First, let's make everything bigger the easy way. Go to Settings, then scroll to Display and Brightness. At the bottom, you'll find Display Zoom. It says something like, choose a view for iPhone. Larger text shows bigger controls. Switch from default to larger text and hit the check mark. Your screen will go black for a second, then pop back on. Boom! Love that. Everything looks bigger. I know, right? So satisfying. One thing, this also enlarges your text. If you want smaller text, just head to Settings, Text Size, and adjust it down. Here's a cool trick to make icons bigger without changing text. Watch this. Long press anywhere on your screen that isn't an app. You'll see an edit button at the top left, tap it, then select Customize. Basically, this lets you tweak how your icons look. At the top right, tap the two small squares. Boom! Your app icons grow and the labels disappear. So instead of reading Settings or App Store, you just see the icon. Crazy clean, right? This one blew my mind the first time I tried it. And if you want everything extra large at once, just go back to Settings. Display Zoom. Select larger text. So that's it. A few simple ways to make your iPhone look exactly how you want. Fun, easy, and totally customizable. Which trick surprised you most? Try them all.